And today we are talking about the last mistake, the fifth mistake, most common mistake people usually make when they start on Pinterest. If you miss the first, second, and third, fourth mistake, just look here, click here, and watch some of the series, because it's the 5 mistakes. And I want you to know that when you start on this platform, there is certain step-by-step manual you can always follow. Like, you can get my starter kit and you can see how to actually start in a good way, because when you start on Pinterest, it's important that you really don't do these mistakes if you want to be successful on this platform. Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest manager and ad specialist. I'm here to show you how you can use this potential of this platform, because a lot of business owners are still, or even bloggers or e-commerce owners, are not using this platform for promoting their products or services. So I'm here. I would like to show you how you can use the best way Pinterest for your business. So we are here and we are talking about the fifth last mistake of most common mistake people usually make. And that's that usually they start immediately when they set up the business account, they start immediately with advertisement. I am a specialist for this platform, and I know it's based on experience, based on many years I'm handling accounts and campaigns. And I know I can tell you that it's not going to work because it's a waste of money. Why? Because Pinterest, it's a long-term platform. If you start business account, maybe you use this way like other social media platforms, then you start an account, you verify your website, and you go and you do advertisement. Okay, fair enough. On Pinterest, this is not going to work. You might get some impressions, some engagement, but you're never going to get anything really long-term way, because Pinterest works based on the visual appealing paints and the keyword search. So if you have no anything like organically happening, this means you don't have any audience really. Nobody's clicking on your paints, nobody's saving them, nobody's interested in what you do, what you promote on Pinterest. Then of course, if you do advertisement, there is no audience you can target. So imagine this, I start business account. Now maybe in 2 weeks, I set up Pinterest tag and I want to do advertisement. But I don't have enough audience because I don't have enough paints. I didn't put even maybe a couple of paints, right? Maybe 10 paints. And I don't know who clicks on them, if they like it, if Pinterest showing my paints. So it's very important that you don't start the advertisement immediately when you set up your business account. It takes time. It takes time and patience, so sometimes it takes months before I would recommend you to do the advertisement. So people usually come to me like, oh, it doesn't work, my advertisement doesn't work, maybe after a couple of weeks. And I'm like, well, you don't have even optimized your profile with keywords, right? So think about it, and don't waste your money when it's not ready yet. You need at least certain amount of conversions, even for conversion campaigns, for example. Maybe you haven't set up product catalog, so you can't even do product catalog campaigns. There is new ways, new ad formats right now, and there are coming more and more ways you can attract the audience. But first, you need to do it organically, right? So set up your strategy. If you don't know where to start, contact me, book a discovery call. We're going to talk about your strategy, how you can start with Pinterest, promote your business, your services, and then we're going to talk about the advertisement. So you can really set up the way you should start. If you do it well, you can do in a couple of maybe months. I would recommend you to do advertisement if we really work hard and we have audience we can target. So this was the last and fifth mistake on Pinterest people usually make when they start, and I would recommend you can watch all the series. I will put links here of all the 5 mistakes, and if you want to start with Pinterest in the right way, contact me. And for now, if you don't know, if you want to contact me or if you want to work with me, just follow me for more tips, subscribe here for this channel, because I am putting every week new videos about Pinterest for your business, how you can use it in the best way so you see the full potential of this platform for your future. So I see you next time.